Clutter in your home does more than annoy you. It actually increases your cognitive load by up to 40%. Your brain interprets a messy space as unfinished threats and stays on high alert. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Focus never fully arrives when your surroundings are cluttered. Every pile of papers, every unorganized drawer, your mind registers it as incomplete. Your amygdala, the part of your brain that reacts to stress, is constantly on guard. Research shows clutter can lead to stress, anxiety, and mental fatigue. Even if your home looks fine, your brain is silently working overtime. Decluttering isn't just about aesthetics. It's about giving your mind the signal that your environment is safe. When your brain feels safe, your focus, creativity, and energy improve. Start small. Clear one drawer. Organize one shelf. Even tiny victories tell your brain that it's safe to relax and focus. Over time, these small wins build mental clarity. Decluttering your environment rewires your habits and reduces stress. It's not about perfection. It's about creating order that supports your life. This video is inspired by my book, The Gift of Less. It's a practical, encouraging guide for adults 50 plus on how to simplify life, reduce stress, and leave a meaningful legacy. Inside, you'll find easy-to-follow checklists to declutter, downsize, and organize your home, paperwork, and everyday life. When you simplify your environment, this has a direct effect that supports your mental clarity. You reclaim your time, your energy, and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Below, see attached link for a copy of my book, The Gift of Less.